This is a Pikliz recipe that no one asked me for. Just kidding. Actually, a whole bunch of you asked me for this recipe. And for those who don't know, Haitian Pikliz or Pikliz is a condiment more than a side. It's made out of cabbages, carrots, vinegar, hot Scotch bonnet peppers, and I'm going to show you how I make it. So I start off with some clean veggies. I've got cabbage, green bell peppers, onion, bell pepper, vinegar, kosher salt, and Scotch bonnet peppers. This is me attempting to grater my carrots or grate my carrots. I had to do it off the camera. So this is what you get. I have 2 carrots that I grated, and I'm going to slice my onion and my green bell pepper. In this case, I use white onions, but you can use red, you can use yellow. It's up to you. I had white, so I used what I had. Then I shred my cabbage and I put it in a salad spinner because I like to wash my cabbage after shredding it. You'll see me here pouring some water. I pour water over it, let it sit for a few minutes. Then I'm going to spin my salad spinner, and then I'm going to add the fresh cabbage right on top of the other veggies. I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice to it. This was half of a lemon. And then to my blender, I'm going to add some Scotch bonnet peppers that I froze. Now, these peppers are hot on a hot scale level, okay? Then I add about a cup of vinegar, blend it up, and I pour it all over my veggies. And the reason I choose to blend my peppers as opposed to chopping them up is because I have a bad habit of touching my eyes, and I don't want to burn my eyes off. Haha. So I'm going to toss, and this is what it looks like after I've tossed it. And I'm gonna put it in my little jar here. I do not leave my Pikliz on the counter. I put my Pikliz in the fridge because if not, it's gonna grow mold and botulism and it could kill you. So anyways, this is it. Bye.